Almost for all the lecture, disclaimer will remain same because I wanted to put this disclaimer that whatever the examples, whatever the things I am dealing with you all, this is my personal experiences. There's nothing to do with anyone. It is just a coincidence. It may, you know, correlate with your own name or something like that. But only to teach purpose, I am doing all this to make this as an example so that there will be a proper teaching learning throughout this session. This syllabus, what we are going to follow, it is a revised syllabus by University of Mumbai, which has been revised last to last year. You can do the study from any material. There is no restriction. Even below the syllabus, the materials are specified. But for you guys, I have already developed the book, which will be uploaded within day or two. In direct text, I have uploaded yesterday. Indirect text by tomorrow or day after, it will be done. Because you must be knowing that these text material required lot of revision. Many things got changed. You just see whatever the direct text you have learned last year is of no use this year. The assessment year got changed, evaluation pattern got changed, tax slab got changed, etc. So likewise, there will be changes in your indirect tax syllabus also. Last year also 2-3 amendments we have incorporated. There is an amendment in registration. There is amendment in ITC, etc., etc. So those amendments should be incorporated as a part of our syllabus. So that is why it will be the revised one. Within day or two, it will be done. Don't worry. This is the entire syllabus. Syllabus copy is there with you all. Please go through. This 60 lecture has been dedicated. So we are right now in the first part, introduction of indirect tax, GST, etc., etc. And slowly and gradually we will proceed further. And we took 3 lectures out of them. This is semester 6 syllabus, which we will be discussing next time. This is in detail your syllabus. What is GST, need of GST, dual model. I think this is all has been discussed and deliberated in the lecture. These are there are many definitions in the Act, but in our syllabus, we have only these definitions. Definition of business, definition of consideration, definition of electronic commerce operator, definition of goods. Believe me, many of the definition will be the same what you have learned earlier. I think business definition you have learned earlier. Goods definition you have learned earlier. Person definition you have learned even last year. Same it will come. Can anybody recollect what was the definition of person last year? Direct tax, we had a definition of person. What was that? Direct tax, Income Tax Act 1961, we have a definition of person. Are you able to recollect? It was a very important definition. Why I wanted ask you to recollect? Because same definition we have here. Same definition of business. Same definition of goods, what we had in Sale of Goods Act. It will be repeated here. Same definition of consideration, which you have learned in Contract Act, will be repeated here in a modified version. This is very bad and very sad. We had a definition of person, that is person include and the individual, HUF, AOP, BOI, company. Same thing is defined here only. Only the subsection got changed. Section is also remains same, section 2. Yes or no? Similarly, goods ka definition you have learned in Sale of Goods Act. Again, section will remain same, only subsection will get changed. So please, whatever you are learning, don't learn to forget those things. Only this definition we are going to learn in semester 5, which is there in the syllabus. GSTN we need to know little bit. And then all things I have explained to you: supply, different type of supply, levy and collection, exemption, time of supply, place of supply, value of supply, ITC, and registration. So honestly speaking, this is section 1 of CGST Act. This is section 2 of CGST Act. This is section 3, 4, 5, and 6 of CGST Act, which talks about GST network. This is section 7, which talks about supply. This is section 8, which talks about different types of supply. This is section 9, which is talking about, levy and collection of tax. Section 10 talks about composition scheme. Section 11 talks about exemption. Section 12 talks about time of supply for goods. 13 talks about time of supply for services. Place of supply, we need to refer different acts. That is IGST Act, section 10 to 13. Value of supply, section 15. Section 16 to 21 is ITC, eligibility, input, computation, etc., etc. And 22 to 30 talks about registration, compulsory procedure, team, cancellation, revocation, everything is there. Okay, which is the part of your rich course material also. I think these basics you must be knowing. GST means goods and service tax. It is an indirect tax. It is applicable entire India, including Jammu and Kashmir. It is applicable from 1st July. Okay, that is why CGST Act 2017 we learned. GST is a tax on supply of goods and service, except those who are exempted. Like income was taxable on income, except those exemptions which were there under section 10. Similarly here also. GST is destination based consumption tax. GST helps to avoid double taxation. We will learn all these things with an example. Is on goods and services. Supply is very important because we manufacture, sales our goods and services everywhere. Supply is a part. Even rendering services also we can consider supply. Okay. Dual taxation is central government also charge the tax and state government also charge the tax, which is known as CGST and SGST. हम लोगों ने ट्रेजर हंट खेला क्या आपके क्लास में? ट्रेजर हंट खेला आपके क्लास में? नहीं खेला? कभी खेला? घर पे जाइए, आपके पास 2 मिनट है, ढूंढ के लाइए जहाँ पे आपको CGST SGST दिखता है. वो कोई वाउचर हो सकता है, वो कोई बिल हो सकता है, वो कोई टैक्स इनवॉइस हो सकता है, कुछ भी हो सकता है. ये 2 वर्ड मुझे चाहिए. 2 minutes is yours. You can switch off your video, go and get it. It is a treasure hunt. Go and come back fast. चलो, who are the winner? इसको क्या मिला?
हाँ सर।
एक चलो किसको?
सर लाइक आपको बताना है?
ऑफ कोर्स मुझे नहीं, पूरे क्लास को बताना है।
अच्छा तो सर इधर बिल पे लिखा है कि
बिल पहले
क्वांटिटी
बताना।
1। हाँ
पहले बिल बताओ। जस्ट शो द बिल। यस, वेरी नाइस। अब देखो उसमें क्या लिखा है। हाँ, अभी बताओ।
क्वांटिटी
किसका बिल है?
1 एक सॉफ्ट टॉय खरीदा था उसका।
वाह, अभी तक सॉफ्ट टॉय से खेल रहे। शाबाश। डोरेमोन, नोबिता।
624। तो टैक्स रेट CGST 6%, SGST 6%, टोटल अमाउंट 699।
Very nice. Then we will be able to understand why this kind of billing is done. Anyone else? चलो, विनर तो वापस तानिया हो गई। चलो देखो, स्पोर्ट्स स्पिरिट आया। चलो स्पोर्ट्स में बताओ। मॉर्निंग मॉर्निंग, बताओ तुमने क्या ढूंढा?
सर ये क्लोथ का बिल है।
वेरी गुड।
इसमें GST 12% है पूरा एंड SGST 500 लिखा है, CGST 500 एंड GST अमाउंट 1001।
वेरी गुड, थैंक यू। Who else?
सर मुझे
सर,
एक करके टेंशन मत करो। मैं ये बताने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ आज आप लोगों को कि हम जो पढ़ रहे हैं, दिस इज अ पार्ट ऑफ आवर लाइफ। ओके, अभी नेक्स्ट टाइम से आपने जितने जन ने ये बिल देखा है उसमें देखो जीएसटीएन नंबर है क्या। अगर नहीं है तो दे शुड नॉट चार्ज यू दिस अमाउंट। अदरवाइज उनके बिल इनवॉइस पे कहीं ना कहीं उनका जीएसटीएन नंबर होना चाहिए। तानिया वेरीफाई करो तुम्हारे बिल में है क्या कहीं।
हाँ।
तो बच गई थी। दूसरा देखो, वो अल्फा न्यूमरिक रहेगा। देयर विल बी 17 डिजिट नंबर विच विल बी अल्फा न्यूमरिक। सही है?
हाँ, जीएसटी रजिस्ट्रेशन नंबर।
शाबाश। Christy, are you getting? Many of us will be getting without that. So let us proceed this learning. You'll enjoy. Next. एक बच्चा, anyone? I think Shreyas.
सर
हाँ, अस्मिता, go.
सर मुझे ये गैस बिल मिला है
बताइए क्या है?
महानगर।
हाँ
सर
हाँ,
महानगर
ठीक है।
पे जीएसटी SGST @9% लिखा है और CGST @9% लिखा है, तो उसके आगे अमाउंट नहीं लिखा है लोग ने,
देखो तो
और इनवॉइस नंबर करके लिखा है ये लोग ने इसमें CGST SGST लॉ करके।
अच्छा, जीएसटीएन नंबर है?
इनवॉइस नंबर पे SGST CGST नंबर डाल के लिखा है, नंबर है।
नंबर नहीं रहेगा, वो तो रेट है। अच्छा, अलग अलग है एसजीएसटी एंड सीजीएसटी नंबर?
नहीं सर, एक ही है।
एक ही रहेगा, हाँ ठीक है। नेक्स्ट।
सर
अरे कर लो।
नहीं चलेगा, यू गो अहेड।
सर ये टीवी का बिल है, तो उसमें जीएसटी नंबर भी है, पैन नंबर भी उन्होंने दिया है, और सीजीएसटी एसजीएसटी के रेट्स दिए हैं और अमाउंट भी है।
कितना है?
सर दोनों का मिलाकर कुछ 6000 है।
नहीं,
6200
रेट क्या दिया?
सर 18% जीएसटी लिखा है उन्होंने।
तो कहीं हर एक को 18% था कि अलग अलग रेट थे?
सर एक ही आइटम है, इसलिए एक ही है।
आपको 18% मिला। सृष्टि, योर रेट
हाँ।
वाज
12%.
12%. तानिया, योर रेट वाज
6%।
6%. तो दीज आर द रेट। हाँ, याद रखना, ये मैं नहीं बना रहा हूँ, आप लोग ने मुझे दिया है, और यही रेट ऑफ टैक्स है। अस्मिता, व्हाट वाज योर रेट?
सर 9%।
समझा? 6, 9, 12, 18। ठीक है? यस, गो अहेड।
सर मेरे पास वॉशिंग मशीन उन्होंने लिया था, तो उसका बिल है। उसमें CGST SGST दोनों अलग अलग दिया, दोनों का रेट सेम है, लेकिन CGST भी 9% है, SGST भी 9% है, एंड टैक्स का अमाउंट है 1120.42। दोनों सेम।
If rate आ गया, then being the student of accounting and finance, we can compute. That's not a problem. Rate is important. Okay. और किसी को कुछ मिला है? I'm still hunting for one thing which I am not finding in your bill. Anyone?
Good
else?
morning.
Good morning. ए देखो आया मेरा।
Sir, I have got. Sorry.
आया मेरा शेर। चलो, what you got?
Sir, I got the bill of I purchased silver, so that is the bill for silver.
Go ahead. I'm still hunting one thing which I'm not.
Sir, the CGST and SGST amount is 40.77, and the total is 2800 after adding the GST.
Only CGST, SGST they have charged? No other GST?
Yes, sir. No, sir.
Is there any number?
Sir, there are like three tags given here. It is 3, 5, and 18% here.
Yes. Okay. Done.
And GST number is also there.
Okay. So these are valid bills.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, in
Yes.
my bill there is taxable value also given.
Sorry. That is total amount.
Taxable.
That is total amount. Okay. Anything else? Who has got it? I'm still hunting one thing which I'm not getting. चलो प्रिया, आपको क्या मिला बेटा?
तो मुझे बिल नहीं मिला बट LIC रिसिप्ट मिला है, उसमें अमाउंट नहीं दिया था, इसे बस ये लिखा CGST UGST / UTGST। तो उसमें अमाउंट नहीं दिया, डायरेक्टली प्रीमियम पे किया, मतलब उसका पे किया तो उसका रिसिप्ट है, तो उसमें अमाउंट ने डायरेक्टली जो प्रीमियम का अमाउंट है वो दिया, इसमें परसेंट नहीं दिया।
तो मतलब
Actually,
अपन ने
sir,
और एक चीज
confused.
सीखा कि CGST SGST के अलावा UTGST भी आता है।
UTGST है, हाँ।
ठीक है, और कुछ सीखने की जरूरत है। चलो, थैंक यू। नेक्स्ट ये सारी चीजें याद रखना चाहिए तो आप अपने नोटबुक पे लिखते जाओ। CGST SGST UTGST 3%, 6%, 9%, 18%, ये सारी चीजें आपने बताई है, मैंने नहीं बताया अभी तक। और देखना एग्जैक्टली यही है अपने मटेरियल में जो हम लोग पढ़ेंगे, जो हम सीखेंगे। और किसी ने कुछ ढूंढा है? So in entire class only this 6 student has got me something. What about remaining? अभी तक सो रहे हैं या उन्होंने कुछ खरीदा ही नहीं जिंदगी में? नहीं चलेगा। आई वॉन्ट, इसलिए मैंने चैट बॉक्स डिसेबल कर रखा है। मुझे चैटिंग पैटिंग चाहिए ही नहीं। चैटिंग तुम अपने फ्रेंड से करो, मेरे से डायरेक्ट इंटरेक्शन, बात करने का और पढ़ने का। वेरी क्लियर फंडा ऑफ माई लाइफ। आई एम स्टिल हंटिंग फॉर वन which I am not getting. Okay, the abbreviation of CGST is Central Goods and Service Tax. The abbreviation of SGST is State Goods and Service Tax. The abbreviation of UTGST is Union Territory Goods and Service Tax. These are the tax. Still, I am hunting for one tax which I have not got yet. So
Sir,
anybody-
integrated goods and service tax, right?
Yeah,
Who
sir,
is
I
that?
got one. Hello.
Who's that? अभी किसने क्या बोला था बीच में? अच्छा,
Hello, sir.
समीरा बोला। Yes. Okay, Hare Krishna. Tell me, what you got?
I purchased wireless earphone. I got IGST 18%.
Shabash. I was looking for that. Can you just wait? Can you share that bill to all the
Sir.
children?
It's PDF, sir. I have to share the screen.
Yeah,
for that.
please. I'm allowing you to share your screen. Don't worry. You can share your screen. Okay.
Can you see that?
Yes. All of us, we are able to see that. Can you see that, children? See, this is IGST. Okay. And that is why CGST, SGST is not there. So if it would have been CGST, SGST, it would have been 9 and 9%. As it is IGST, it is directly 18%. So this would be equally divided. So the amount of tax will remain constant. It depends where goods has been manufactured or sold, where the supply took place, whether the supply took place within the state or between the states. If it is within the state, as we have seen in all the cases, it was CGST, SGST. If it is between the state, if we are crossing the territory of state, then it will be IGST. what I was looking for, GSTN number. Are you getting, everyone? This alphanumeric. Okay. So they are paying this also, indirect tax, and they have PAN number also on total income, which you have learned last year. From their profit and loss account, whatever the total income is there. Have you learned that in semester 3? On total profit, they are paying income tax. Whereas on sale or supply of goods and services, they are paying CGST, IGST, UTGST, SGST, etc., etc. And that is purely depends within the state or between the states. Within the state, intra, between the state, inter. Kindly write down, these all words will come in our. Then this invoice number is very important. Every transaction number is going to help us to avail the tax benefit, which is ITC. Okay.
Sir, IGST is calculated on imports and exports, right?
No. Even from between the states, suppose Gujarat say we are importing anything, then IGST will be charged. Or if suppose I produce something and I have supplied from Mumbai to Pune, CGST, SGST. But Mumbai to Valsad, Mumbai to Vapi, Mumbai to Surat, Mumbai to Ahmedabad, IGST. Clear? If it is CGST, SGST, then 50-50 between state and central government. If it is IGST, it is integrated. First, it will go to government, and then central government will distribute to the share to their state. Is this clear to you all? Yes, Hare Krishna, now you can stop sharing your screen. Did you enjoy this learning? Raise your hand. Maja aaya? So our learning will be purely practical based learning. And believe me, this all learning will make you or capable you. आज जैसे मेरे बच्चे एशियन पेंट के इनकम टैक्स ऑफिसर बन के गए ना. So this is feasible and possible if we have such kind of learning. I request, I am not be able to teach in other division, so kindly ask them to refer your notes. Kindly ask them to go to these videos. They will also enjoy this learning. Because as practical as the learning will be, that much will be interesting, and it will have more impact on their day-to-day life. Honestly speaking, in future, you have to do all these things being the accounts and finance manager of your company. Clear? Okay. So with that note, today our session will be over. Next lecture again we are going to meet, and we are going to learn more aspects of GST. This is just the beginning, and we are finding so interesting it is. In days to come, it is going to be a very, very effective teaching learning. Meanwhile, again, I am requesting you all to kindly make the payment of your fees as early as possible and collect your new roll number from your class teacher. It will help you when you will take the admission. Okay? Because online you have to put your roll numbers in your admission form. Today being the yoga day, आपको पता है, the message must have come to your class. 10 onwards, there won't be any session. I hope you must have registered yourself. for Yoga Day, which is celebrated by college centralized, being the part of it, and enjoy that day. Be wealthy. Do the yoga on daily basis. Take care of yourself. Take care of your family in this pandemic. Till my next lecture, which is there on Friday. Goodbye from my end, and we will meet on Friday next for the next lecture.